Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy, Source Mac. Welcome back to the channel. This is the tech series we're in. So I just bought myself a brand new GeForce RTX 3060 straight up from Best Buy. So this edition, as y'all can see, specifically the OC aka Overclock edition with the triple fan, you know what I'm saying? Triple the airflow. Just look at the design. It's just wonderful. And the brochure covers everything. Zero throttling, boom. No problems with 4K editing. You trying to play Cyberpunk? Done. With ray tracing on, obviously, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this one's got 12 gigabytes of VRAM, so we don't gotta worry about running out of memory, you know what I'm saying? And like, for example, if your workload demands a lot of textures or multiple 4K monitors, specifically 100 Hz plus, get this GPU. It's a budget GPU. It's only like $298, so no biggie. You got it, you know what I'm saying? I got it. Big deal. It's hella nice. Oh, and once you take it out of the box and you just start holding it, and it's lightweight. I'm not gonna lie, it was very lightweight. Not as light as carbon fiber, obviously, but hey, you know it's NVIDIA. Gosh, just look at it. It's wonderful. But yeah, triple fan cooling, 12 gigabytes of memory, ray tracing, DLSS, all the features we really need to dominate in 2024 and beyond. So yeah, it's nice. Overclock, no problem. Great GPU, in my opinion. Everyone should get it. Enjoy the video.